Hello everyone, hello my students, hello grade 6. Today we're going to discuss together the main grammar in Unit 5. The main grammar here is about past perfect continuous. As usual, let's start with what's the formation of this tense. Look at these examples and try to guess the formation. You have been waiting there for 3 hours when she finally arrived. They have been studying for 2 hours when the light went out. So here it's clear the formation of this tense. What is that? It's had been plus verb plus ing. Like here, have been waiting, and here, have been studying. So the formation of the past perfect continuous is had been plus verb plus ing. After that, how can I make a negative? As I said before in the past perfect, but not after had, but not after had. So it will be I hadn't been playing since you saw me. Or she hadn't been doing her work for 2 hours. So the negative form here is had not plus been plus verb plus ing. Had not, it will be hadn't. You can say it hadn't. You can pronounce it hadn't been plus verb plus ing. Again, hadn't been plus verb plus ing. This is a negative form of past perfect continuous. How or when can I use this tense? When can I use past perfect continuous? We use past perfect continuous to express an action which was continuous in the past and completed before another past action. Okay, again, an action which was continuous in the past and completed before another past action took place. So, for example, she had been playing. This action was happening and completed in the past. She had been playing for several hours. When another past action took place, what is this action? When she came home. So, this action was in the past in a continuous and it's completed in the past. And there is another action that happened also in the past. But here, this action was continuous for sometimes, for example, for some time. So she had been playing for several hours when she came home. So again, we use this tense to express an action which was continuous and completed before another past action took place. After that, the question. How can I make a question in past perfect continuous? Yes or no question at first. At first, look at this question. Had you been waiting for me for 2 hours? Had she been doing her work for 3 hours? Here I started with what? With had. After had, I put the subject. And after that, been plus verb plus ing. So the question here would be like that. Had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Like here, had you been waiting? And here, had she been doing? The answer will be yes or no. And WH question, look at this question. What had she been doing before she went to school? What had she been doing before she went to school? I started with what? With a question word. What? After that, I put the helping verb had. And after that, the subject been plus ing or been plus verb plus ing. So again, question word, had, subject, been plus verb plus ing. So the formation here is question word like what, where, when, and so on, plus had, plus subject, he, she, it, or plus been plus verb plus ing. Again, question word, had, subject, been plus verb plus ing. Okay. This is the second kind of question, WH question. How can I make a WH question in past perfect continuous? Look at this example and try to guess. What had she been doing before she went to school? What had she been doing before she went to school? I started with a question word, what. After that, had, subject, been, plus verb, plus ing. So it's clear here. How can I form a WH question? To form a WH question, start with question word like what, where, when, and so on, plus had, plus subject, plus been, plus verb, ing. Like here, what is a question word? Had, she is a subject. Been doing before she went to school. Okay? Thank you so much. I hope to understand it, and see you next time. Bye.